Good morning. Here's how to sign up for the Explore Learning Gizmos. Up here is the login and enroll. Click on that. Put our class code, which in this case it's NJKLFQ. For half the class it is this. For the other class, make sure you look at your document. Click Enroll Class. Down here now I need to create an Explore Learning account. Put in your first name, put in your last name, and your email address. Make up some sort of username and a password and hit submit. If everything's done correctly, it'll pop up to this ocean mapping. At this point you can click launch. And there is the gizmo. Now as you go through this, it's going to ask you a few different questions, and you're going to be clicking on here, and it's pretty self-explanatory as you start going through this. Okay, so these are the different tabs they'll ask you to go: the 3D point, table, 2D map, 3D map. If you have any questions, make sure that you send me an email and ask.